it's a wartime bungalow, but it's actually well-built wartime bungalow. So we had to expose all the structural parts to understand, what we could and couldn't do. We looked for the right company to do this for us. And the only 5-star company that we could find was Sosna. And they were very professional right from the start. That we were very happy with the process. And when I say that, there are always hiccups, there are always big decisions to be made. We were traveling, so they accommodated us, during our travels. So we would have lots of meetings, either online or in person. But Sosna really came through for us. They really produced what we were looking for. Whenever you design something, it's hard to know how it's going to turn out until it's actually built. So there were a few things that we wanted, and I'm going to make one mention, and that is we have a raised dishwasher. So it's not really low like most dishwashers where you have to bend over and put all your plates in and take them all out again. We have it actually at waist height. This is something we had in a house that we had previous, and we just loved this idea. And we had to encourage Sosna to do this because it was the first time they've ever done this. And the end result has been brilliant. So this is, for me, really, it's a house built around a kitchen. We like to entertain. We have sometimes, 6 or maximum 8 guests. And it's enough space in this bungalow that's been opened up. We basically wanted to get rid of as many walls as we could so that we have open space. We can look from the front of the house to the back of the house and have the light that we're looking for as well. So all I can say is that if you want to work with a great bunch of people, Sosna have been fabulous. We gave them 5 stars, like it seems everyone else has done, and highly recommend them. Really happy to have had this experience. It was a lot of work, but it's paid off. It's really worth it for us. We're enjoying it immensely.